So today we are out here in the city of Vancouver replacing a battery on this 2014 Acura RDX. The client called us. He said that his vehicle wasn't starting. We did a full diagnosis, starting system check, and it turns out that the battery needed replacement. We have went ahead, we bought a new battery, and we have come out here. So as you can see, this is the battery. It's pretty simple. It will be these two terminals coming off, the 10mm, and these two nuts coming off. The strap will come off, and then we'll be putting in the new battery. So battery has been taken off. This is the bracket which goes around the battery. This is the old one. You can see Acura, it's pretty filthy as well. Now we'll put in the new battery. New battery in, terminals connected, putting in the side bracket, the strap, and we are good to go. We went ahead and we have replaced the battery. This is the new one. So you just need to take off 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 nuts, 10mm, and you can easily replace your battery on a 2014 Acura RDX. We did it right at the client's location in Vancouver. It's parked out on the street, and we were easily able to replace it. So do give us a call for any battery replacement, alternator, starter replacement, brake pad, rotor replacement, and we'll do it right out of your driveway or on a street parking like this. And we serve all over Metro Vancouver.